Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to delete Google Pay account. So first of all, go ahead to your apps, go ahead to your Google Play, make sure that you updated the app to the latest version. Next step, what I'm going to do, go to my account.google.com. If you haven't already, you will need to sign in. And basically what you're going to do, you're going to let me just highlight this one so you can know where to go. Alright, and basically select privacy and personalization, and then scroll to download or delete your data, and select delete a service or delete a service, and then find Google Pay, select delete, and then follow the on-screen instructions. So if you want to know how it's done, basically you're gonna permanently end your services on Google Chrome, Google Pay. So select privacy and personalization, scroll to the download or delete your data, select the delete the device or delete the service. You might need to sign in again, find Google Pay, select the delete, and then follow the on-screen instructions, and permanently closing your Google payment profile. If you have money in your Google Play balance, they recommend you that you spend it before you close the profile. A Google Play balance cannot be transferred between accounts. That's so you know. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. I will definitely see you in the next one.